Do you think you can make money with GCam? You are wrong, and we will prove it here. But before we go that far, we should know the basic of mobile photography. Yes, it should satisfy human eyes, or at least it has good details and less noise. In 2021, almost all Android smartphones support GCam port, and in this video, GCam is our powerful money machine. Unlike the other camera applications on Android, GCam AI runs on hardware system level. It can also load configuration in XML extension, and it will give you better result. But that direct result usually only satisfy AI eyes. If you are a human, it's not enough. Then, how can we satisfy human eyes? The answer is raw photo processing, especially with GCam RAW because it can stack multi-frames without manually doing it with third-party application. Multi-frames RAW has more dynamic range and better noise control than regular RAW from other cam apps. Now, let's see how to do it in 3 minutes. Number 1. Capture space within Earth with GCam and don't forget to enable JPEG plus RAW. Number 2. Open the RAW photo with Lightroom Mobile. Do colors adjustment to get near to reality color. If possible, use DNG camera profile. I use a Mino 10 DNG camera profile here to skip color adjustment. You can still fine-tune of color frequencies here. Remember that grass should be green, sky should be blue, and night should be dark but less noise. Then, do light parameters adjustment like exposure, highlight, shadows, black levels, and white balance. You can also use gradient or brush to adjust some parts of the photo. Cloud is beauty with enough texture, so I add some texture here. If you think your photo is ready, you are right. You just need to export it. Now let's see how it performs against direct JPEG from GCam. The question is, how those photos can make money for us? Of course, I'll teach you how. First, you need to download kind of photography community and competition app from Play Store. There are 3 of them that I know aren't scam. The first is Agora. the second is glow stars, and the third is Shutterstock. I recommend you to try Agora as it has so many competitions. To be able to join competitions, you have to create an account there. Now, listen to me. The trick to win a competition is, don't hesitate to spam upload your photos. Try to get famous with all your photos and then join some competition. To keep your spirit on, I'll tell you this. You will get at least $100 for each competition you won. Amazing, right? That's all from me. Now, it's time to practice.